We are looking at a nice little array of some rain showers affecting us on Max HD radar. This rain mainly is staying to our south and east right now, and we are staying pretty quiet locally in Metro Louisville, but look down to the south from Columbia towards our friends in Somerset, Kentucky, even towards Lebanon, also picking up some pretty decent light rain showers getting out the door to get your morning started. Notice though in Louisville, we're kind of on the back edge of this line, so most of the city in Jefferson County momentarily staying dry. Some mist is affecting us, but as that front you see to the west slides in later today, it'll be touching off on a couple of stronger storms, and I'll be showing that on Futurecast in just a moment. Getting your morning started, regardless of the rain, it's staying downright windy outside. We have a couple of areas with wind gusts around 30 miles an hour in Louisville here. LaGrange, you're collecting a sustained wind speed of 23 miles an hour. So again today, wind will be the main pesky condition that we're dealing with, along with the rain showers here and there. All the counties in this tan shaded color are under that wind advisory. So a reminder from the National Weather Service that we're still going to be dealing with some strong wind during the course of the day. So maybe making for some tricky driving conditions for a lot of us. Temperatures in the city are staying in the middles, even upper 50s. PRP at 57 as well as our friends in Valley Station. And we are enjoying kind of that south wind, transporting in the warm air, of course, but that wind's a little strong, stronger than what we should normally be picking up. 71 will be the high temperature today. There will be a couple of isolated storms redeveloping this afternoon. So the batch of rain that we're dealing with this morning coming to a halt from west to east as we get into about midday. Notice by about noon, Louisville will likely be spared in locations west of I-65, but that main issue is going to come into play right around 4 or 5 p.m. to about 6 o'clock. There will be a couple of discrete cells that will develop mainly in southern Indiana, a few of them here in Louisville and points east. And once again, a few of these as they redevelop may be turning strong to perhaps on the lower end of severe weather. I'm mainly thinking the big weather threat will be heavy rainfall with these storms, but we cannot rule out that possibility of a very low risk of an isolated tornado. So please stick with us for the further updates this afternoon if severe weather does strike for your area. But after today, we're just dealing with some downright sunny conditions tomorrow through Saturday with a pop-up storm possible on Easter Sunday.